sales part of Apple products in education and enterprise segment. Today, we are going to talk about augmented reality in business. So, this is going to be the agenda. The goal here is to inspire and educate technology decision makers on augmented reality, or it is known as AR, and how it can add value to business use cases and across the value chain. So, the recent launch of iPad Pro with LiDAR scanner makes augmented reality even more relevant for business customers, especially many businesses are exploring new ways to work in the new era of remote work. So, augmented reality requires an iOS device or iPad OS device with at least iOS 11 and an A9 chip, A9 processor, or later. Okay. So we'll start. So this statement from Tim Cook, this represents a big vision for augmented reality. And this means we are committed to providing the best AR experiences possible. We are excited about augmented reality and its impact on the business world. Today, we will discuss some of the many opportunities to increase productivity, provide new employee and customer experiences, and support a changing work world in new ways. Augmented reality brings digital objects and information into the environment within the app, taking experiences beyond the screen and enabling entirely new ways to interact with the surroundings. Here is an AR example of what the retailer IKEA has brought to its customers, where they can instantly place chairs, paintings, lights, and objects on walls, floors, tables, and even the ceiling, all at a real world scale. You can see the lighting even getting adjusted to the room in the augmented reality. These kind of customer experiences are becoming more and more compelling. The big news is that there are powerful applications of augmented reality across the business world. So in the business world, we see incredible applications of augmented reality. Here, for example, with the Splunk AR app, we can visualize data in the right place at the right time, improving field services and training. By placing information in a highly visual and contextual way in the real world, it enables more connected and productive workflows. Augmented reality can improve tasks that are typically challenging or expensive or even physically impossible. We will explore examples in a range of industries to help reveal how you can use AR to be more productive and perhaps inspire new ways to drive value to your business and to your customers' business. When we look across use cases and industries, you can see these key benefits like enhanced visualization. This enables productive interactions with visual overlays and content at lifelike scale, and better communication. This improves decision making, reduce operational costs by sharing AR objects and scenes. Then comes the remote expertise. Remote expertise, this support work without being on site, reduce shipping and travel cost, improve service. This replace old processes, which is paper, multiple devices, etc., and bring to life what is needed in the moment. Accurate. Yeah. So flexible training guide employees. Let me switch off the Siri. Yeah. Flexible training. This guides employees more efficiently on site or enable employees to train wherever they are. For example, a field service executive or service technician can learn about equipment in augmented reality in their own space before completing repairs in the field. Since augmented reality combines the digital and real world, it takes a lot to create the best AR experiences. To start, great cameras enables users to see and connect to the environment. Then motion sensors. Motion sensors detect movements and position in the real world. And LIDAR. LIDAR stands for light detection and ranging. This technology helps AR apps understand spaces with great accuracy. Then powerful processors and machine learning put all this information together to support realistic and interactive scenes, enabling AR experience to connect to the real world. Incredible displays enable the users to experience AR in the best way possible. And an integrated software built for AR make it easy to develop great augmented reality experiences. There is a lot goes into making mobile AR experiences. Employees and customers can easily use augmented reality wherever they are. Apple ensures that each element from cameras to processors to displays support augmented reality in a seamless and interactive way. The new iPad Pro unlocks even more immersive AR experience for business. Advanced Pro cameras, both front and back, capture high quality images and video from all angles, and the True Depth camera enable AR visualizations. A breakthrough LiDAR scanner, that is light detection and ranging, makes iPad Pro the world's best device for augmented reality by enabling sensors to interpret the world with great accuracy. The new iPad Pro enables workflows and AR experiences never before possible on a mobile device. And the new LiDAR scanner on iPad Pro is an example of how we continue to innovate with powerful AR feature. Here's a look under the hood. LiDAR, that is light detection and ranging technology. It is used to determine distance by measuring how long it takes light to reach an object and reflect back. The custom designed LiDAR scanner measures reflected light from up to 5 meters away, both indoors and outdoor. It operates at nanosecond speeds and opens up tremendous possibilities for use cases in businesses. So the combination of hardware, software, and unprecedented innovation makes iPad Pro the world's best device for augmented reality. Now that our introduction is covered, let us explore examples of augmented reality, starting with service and maintenance. So as we explore examples, each one can provide ideas on the art of the possible within your own business or your customer's business to increase efficiencies and improve workflows. So let us take a look at how augmented reality is used as a communication tool for remote expertise. Here's an app. It is called a TeamViewer Pilot. An on-site technician can quickly provide situational information to an expert in remote location through their iPhone or iPad. The remote expert can then place annotations and tags on the equipment in the real world. Now, using the LiDAR feature, AR elements can snap to the real world objects thanks to the integrated depth mesh. This app literally using the world as the canvas to communicate in real time. See how critical details are indicated in AR, allowing the expert to guide the technician from miles away. So this app is called TeamViewer Pilot. You can see this app in the App Store. Should be available. TeamViewer Pilot. So think about how communication with your employees and customers might improve through this kind of interaction. Remote expertise can improve service in a number of use cases. So next is, please watch this.
Can you show me more details?
Showing exported taxi money.
Question. And is it available?
Here you go. The part number is 514-089-1C, and there are 4 gaskets available.
So this is a maintenance and operations example within this with this app. Collaboration between KLM Digital and Studio and Regional Jet Center. So engineers can spend substantial amount of time searching for information in multiple systems and manuals. I'll run this video once again.
Can you show me a more detailed version?
Showing exploded view for the taxi light.
What is the part number? Question. And is it available?
Sorry. So this app, you can see a maintenance engineer using augmented reality overlay to see the light assembly. With augmented reality, parts are instantly viewed at real time, in the real world scale, in the right place. So this augmented reality experience make the repair assistant relevant in the moment to the technician. So he can just open up the part which is to be replaced instantly. The system will give you the availability and the part number and the availability. So this app aims to save maintenance time, improve operational efficiencies, and reduce errors, creating better maintenance workflows and fleet readiness. This app also uses Apple's frameworks for machine learning, vision, speech, and natural language. So easily accessing objects in AR can speed up inventory search and make workflows more efficient. So these kind of apps even helps training scenarios. That is KLM Digital Studio and Regional Jet Center. This may not be available in the App Store. This may be a custom-made app. Next one, using AR to facilitate remote consulting and service is a powerful ability. Here we have the Stream app. Stream app on the new iPad Pro, a great tool for remote project work. This app has two modes, customer and expert, that is client view and remote view. We see the customer view in the top left corner and the expert view in the main view. This is main view. This is the service provider's view. The expert gets detailed 3D map of the customer space, which can be moved independent from where the customer is looking. The app uses people will not be visible there. So this is to support customer privacy. A detailed depth map is created with the LiDAR scanner on the client's iPad Pro. Measurements of this, actually you can see the red sphere here. The red sphere represents the customer's current point of view. So the expert knows exactly where the customer is looking, even if the map has been rotated in a different direction. The app has tools to annotate the space to the customer's direction and be focused on specific area. Customers see the models in their own view, so they can cycle to multiple options and know exactly what their final choice will look like and right in their own home. So another benefit is this 3D map allows the remote consultant to take detailed measurements of the space and to accurately place appliances into the right place. This can greatly reduce site visits, deliveries, and fittings on site. Move projects forward that would be normally require on-site measuring or multiple fitting trips. So this app is called a Stream. So using augmented reality to accurately guide customers off-site help move project forward. The enhanced visualization and spatial understanding provided by LiDAR can provide a fluid workflow and better service. You can imagine applications of this kind of experience in construction, real estate, insurance, and more. Now let us take a look at the examples in design and consulting. Let us look at an AR app that shows how a consultant can work remotely with a client on an architecture or design project. This is Sharper 3D. It's an iPad Pro app that uses LiDAR to create a depth map of the room almost instantaneously, and then export a model that is dimensional accurate and can be used to move the project forward. This kind of AR app reduces the need for a time-consuming survey and additional on-site visits. Now, consultants and employees can engage in new kind of productivity beyond their traditional role. You could also imagine the customer sending back a model created in their own space with the LiDAR and iPad Pro. So all these architects and design consultants, they are all our prospect for these kind of apps. So this is Sharper 3D. So here we see how enhanced visualization of the building features adds value in terms of survey time and model creation efficiencies. So this kind of workflow enable better communication when both parties can see and understand more clearly. So now let us look at an example of remote product design with augmented reality. So here you can see basic design decisions happening in real time. The designer can circle an object in AR and the producers on the other end can see it positioned in the real world. So this provides highly contextual feedback, which can be more efficient than sending materials back and forth, enabling faster decision making and reducing shipping or travel costs. So this app is called Viewforia Chalk, and it is an example of augmented reality facilitating remote assistance. So this Vuforia Chalk combines live video and audio annotations that stick to real-world objects. So by using similar app like these kind of augmented reality app as a communication tool to solve complex or out-of-reach problems, AR can greatly improve communication, as we see in this product design example. Over time, using AR as a communication tool can result in better service and more satisfied customers. Let us now take a look at another app that places realistic content in the real world. So this app is called iScape, which empowers consultant to place landscape design in the environment. For example, this flower bed in AR. By selecting options for clients and then sharing them remotely. The consultant's workflow with remotely this consultant's workflow with their client, so it is greatly improved. So communication is greatly improved, and iScape has seen strong response to this AR design workflow, where customers are motivated to purchase after viewing setups in AR. So this is the app which you can download iScape. Seeing content at scale in the real world provides context only available in augmented reality, and it's easy for both the client and consultant to use. So this enables better decision making and overall communication, which can lead to more sales through this interaction. Now let us explore examples in training and collaboration. Let's start with the Splunk AR. Splunk AR app. This AR app shows AR overlays of backend data in real time, which can enable more flexible training and service. Training and service scenarios. So an instructor can highlight what is most important an employee to see and understand. So this frees up both the instructor and the new employee. They are not bogged down in papers or reading multiple displays or devices. So in the past, this was time consuming and less accurate. Today, this kind of app can make learning about equipment performance and maintenance much more efficient. So at the end of the clip, a video shows, I'll run this video once again. End of the clip, a video shows how multimedia can also be part of augmented reality experience. So in this case, it may replace an additional manual specific to the UPS. So more details about this app, please visit App Store, Splunk AR app. So this is Splunk AR, available in the App Store. So another way AR enhances training is with the shared experiences where multiple users can interact within the same AR scene. Here we see an SAP demo of training interaction for asset maintenance. The actions of the instructor's iPad, that is in the right-hand side, are mirrored on the employees or the student's iPad in the left-hand side. Let us see. So this is extremely helpful for walking through complex or new topics and providing a more realistic visual for what the student will see outside the classroom on the equipment itself. The student's actions are also mirrored on the instructor's iPad. This way, the instructor can see the actions the student is taking and provide a real-time feedback. So this is a SAP demo app showing a shared AR experience. It is not a shipping app. May not be available in the App Store. It may be a custom-made app, so it is not available in the App Store. So we will be able to create these kind of apps. Probably, you can get in touch with me, or you can even get in touch with the Apple team, Anshuman or Vishwajit. They'll be able to connect with you to the respective app developers. So for whatever we are showing, there are developers available. And we also see another fascinating visualization benefit when augmented reality can interpret and recommend action. So this is a medical scenario. Any doctors are your prospect. So when AR can interpret and recommend action and then track progress over time for both the doctor and patient. Please see that. You can see how arm range of motion is accurately interpreted and represented in a visual information layer. So AR apps can also interpret the environment using motion tracking. In this case, the Complete Anatomy app interprets a patient's movements, making the invisible visible by showing the viewer what muscles are being engaged. Please see the screen. So this is Complete Anatomy app. A medical practitioner or a doctor or user can track progress over time, and the AR app can interpret the movements. This can be extremely helpful to both a patient and doctor, both in the moment and over time. You can imagine a doctor training a colleague with this app or using it directly in the field. So, in addition, a patient could use this kind of app, independently at home to practice and track movements. So this is a great example of how enhanced visualization adds value. So this app is available in the App Store, Complete Anatomy. Any doctors or physician, they are all our prospect. So it is very good for even patient education. There are so many augmented reality apps are available. Apps like 3D for medical. There are so many apps are available for medical as well. And so that is Complete Anatomy. So these there are many applications for these ideas, ranging from remote consulting. So now we are all talking about the COVID scenario. So remote consulting to safety training to employee onboarding. So these kind of apps are very useful. Now let's look at examples in merchandising and inventory use cases. Please see the screen. There are many augmented reality experiences that bring values to sales environments. In this interactive planogram example, the app recognizes a shoe. It is out of place. In this case, helping the employee to understand the blue shoe should be placed in the proper location. So by understanding the stock levels in the moment to the visualization of uh, backend data, employees can reduce trips to the back of house, which creates a better customer experience and ultimately better service. So we also see the operational efficiency of using augmented reality to guide and check floor setups like this shoe wall. So another powerful aspect of augmented reality is the incorporating photorealistic AR objects. 1 minute, I think I missed one video. Let me just go back. I think one video somehow it is missed. There was an amazing. Yeah, here it is. Please watch it. Another powerful aspect of augmented reality, incorporating photorealistic AR objects. So in this retail demo, we see the power of that in action. You can place that bag wherever you want in the actual table. So here you can see a customer or a designer can place objects, compare them, and change them. Yes. So this is powerful because it brings new level to decision making. Objects are so realistic. They create an opportunity for a decision point that previously could only be done in person. Ultimately, all these things will increase business or sale. So using realistic AR objects can has many use case applications beyond retail. And this retail POC app is a prototype and is not generally available. It may not be available in the App Store. It is created by PTC and the enterprise design lab. But these kind of apps can be created. So when we understand how these types of AR apps can change conversations and decision points, there are many opportunities to improve the services your business delivers. So the next one. Now let's look at AR overlays in the context of inventory management and back of house workflows. Here we see number of ways to improve inventory and back of house sales tasks. So you can see the screen. So first, a quick scan of items with the camera reveals items received, shows with green AR tags. This greatly speeds up the order received process, typically done with paper or multiple devices. Huge time saving. Next, we find a specific order has arrived. The green AR overlay tag quickly pops out in the sea of boxes, large set of boxes, saving employee time and effort. See that? Take that number and scan the stock. It will immediately tell you in green. Yeah. And last, we see a salesperson doing a back of house lookup for a customer. They are able to input what they need, and the AR tag surfaces on the exact box. So this app is called Scandit. For details, you can visit the App Store. It is available in the App Store. Scandit. So there are many applications for this kind of AR app. The enhanced visualization improves employee efficiencies in traditional logistics and sales use cases, and can inspire new ones as well. So you would have got an idea where this has to be positioned. Any retail shop, yeah, any retail chain, you can position these kind of solutions. So we just covered a number of use cases that brings value to businesses, from improving service and communication to reaching customers in new ways wherever they are. So you can think about how to apply these fundamental 5 values adds to augmented reality to the value chain in your own organization. So identify places to start with your team. There may be more than one area that stands out. So let us explore how to get started. So let's also explore some ways to redefine your own business or the customer's business with the power of augmented reality. To discover which workflow can benefit most from augmented reality, begin high-level conversations with the teams and stakeholders. You can think about the entire value chain. It's possible to start at any part of the cycle. Then you can ask which workflow makes sense to start with. So once the key workflows are identified, find the top use cases within those. This planning exercise help to start help where to start. So it is easy to get your team started creating augmented reality experiences using the 3D content. Your organization already having this 3D content, or you can build an AR app. So let us start with using your existing 3D content. Many manufacturing companies, they already having the products in the 3D format, the product image in a 3D format. in common file formats. These files can be brought into augmented reality on iPad and iPhone using the simple conversion tool. So Reality Converter can easily convert 3D files into a preferred format called USDC format. Reality Converter is a free application. So when you have a file format in 3D file format in .USDC on iPad or iPhone, you can have instant augmented reality experience without any app. So that is the beauty of it. So that feature is called AR Quick Look. So no app required. If you have .USDC file format, you can experience AR on iPhone and iPad. So these USDC files can come to life as interactive AR content shared on the web with Safari through business chat and messages and in email. So now let's look at some examples. Here, when user taps on the AR icon, the USDC automatically opens with Quick Look. So these are highlighted so you can see where that happens in these examples. Safari, for example, on safari.com, on apple.com, in Safari, you can see iPhone 11 Pro in AR. Indicates that users can tap the AR icon to use the iPhone AR mode and no app required. Next is you can use business chat. In business chat, we see a conversation recommending an additional appliance to view. With just a tap, the customer can see it in AR. The same thing with mail as well. And here in email, the receiver has a USDC file they can view with a single tap. See that? It's in the mail. Just tap on it. You can see it in object view. This is the object view in the right hand side. Now what you see is the object view. No, there are no additional apps. So now when you click on the AR view, see, you can see it in the real world. Which means that if you have a 3D file attached in mail, you can send it to the mail, and if it is opened with the iPhones or iPads mail application, you can instantly have an augmented reality experience without any other additional app. So that is the beauty of iOS and iPadOS devices. So, and if we talk about Reality Composer, if your creative teams wants to do more with 3D content, they can use Reality Composer, which makes it easy to add animations and interactions to enrich 3D content. So this is a free app, can help the team quickly prototype and produce content for augmented reality. No coding required. That's the beauty of it. You don't need to be a programmer to create or work with Reality Composer. So we just covered the path to creating augmented reality experience in the Apple ecosystem without using code. So now let's explore how you can start building an AR app for iPhone and iPad, the real AR app. So to do this, you have to have the developers and the Xcode. Xcode is required. Reality Composer, Xcode. So Xcode is our integrated developer environment, which can be downloaded from the Mac App Store. Xcode will work only on a Mac machine, which means that if you want to create a augmented reality app, the true app, you need a Mac machine and Xcode. So the developer team can start directly with the developer tools mentioned here, the Reality Composer developer tool. By the way, Reality Composer is also part of the Xcode, so you can find it within Xcode. All these apps are free. So as I mentioned, Apple offers these tools to create best augmented reality experience. Xcode, augmented reality or AR kit, and Reality Kit. So using these tools, the developers can create amazing augmented reality applications. So we'll summarize it. So we are continually releasing updates to make augmented reality experience easy to build and access. So this quotation, this quote represents that spirit. We are excited to help your team members or the customers to get started. So today, our goal was to spark interest in augmented reality and provide a better sense of what is possible. So now it's time to think big and ask, how can augmented reality define your business or your customer's business? Apple products and people are here to help. You can always approach us. You can always contact me or Mumbai Anshuman, Mr. Vishwajit. They will help you to connect with the relevant developers. I would like to share some of the resources. Like, there are many resources for your teams to explore as they build AR experiences. Just go to this link, or later I'll share you the link through chat, and you can download all these 3D images. These are all 3D models, sample models available in the Apple website. You can just download it and you can have an instant augmented reality experience on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, so this feature is called AR Quick Look. So this is a great way to experience AR without an app. The Apple developer site has many detailed resources on augmented reality. So this is a great place to send your developer team, the customer's developer team, to learn more about AR. So there is a place called Apple Support Video Series in the YouTube. You can explore a simple introduction to Reality Composer with Apple Support Video. By the way, Reality Composer is available on iPad and iPhone, free app. So these resources can help you to get started and capture the value of augmented reality for your business. I'll show you how to create a small AR project within few minutes.
Reality Composer makes it easy for you to create and interact with augmented reality on your iPhone and iPad, blending virtual content with the world around you. In this video, we'll show you how to start a project, choose an object, add a look and behavior, place it in AR, and share your scene. Before you start, you will need an iPhone or iPad with iOS 13.2 or later. Check out the links in the description below to learn which devices are compatible. Make sure you've installed the Reality Composer app. Reality Composer is made by Apple and is available for free on the App Store. Let's begin by starting a project. First, open Reality Composer. We're going to create a new project, but you'll find all your saved projects here. Choose Create Document. Now that we have started a project, let's choose an object. First, you need to choose an anchor. An anchor allows you to place an object in the real world. If you want your object to be placed on a floor or table, select a horizontal anchor. To To place your object on a wall, select vertical anchor. If you're using a book, movie poster, brochure, or packaging, select image anchor. And for selfie effects like virtual hats and glasses, choose the face anchor. Let's choose horizontal. A cube will appear in your workspace. Let's use Reality Composer's content library to choose something a little more interesting. Let's remove the cube. To do this, press and hold the object, then select Delete from the pop-up menu. To add a new object, tap the plus icon and scroll down through the content library to find an object you like. You can choose a shape, game, or even a toy. This looks fun. Tap to select. We can customize our scene by adding a look and behavior to our rocket. To give the object a new look, tap the object, then tap the properties icon. Here, you can transform the object's position, rotation, and scale, or change its look or physics. Let's select realistic style. Nice. Now, let's add some action. To do this, the more icon, and select behaviors. To create a new behavior, tap the plus icon. Adding behaviors lets you move, scale, or add emphasis to your objects. You can also create triggers based on proximity or inputs as simple as a tap. You can even add spatial audio to give AR scene another level of reality. Composer has some easy presets to get you started. We want to make our rocket launch upward, so let's create a custom behavior instead. Tap Custom, and tap an object to select it. We'll use tap to trigger the rocket. Let's pick Move, Rotate, Scale By to move the rocket relative to our current location. And adjust the rocket's launch speed by moving the duration slider left or right. Next, we will select the ease type. Selecting ease in will make the rocket accelerate as it lifts. Under position, tap clear and change the centimeter value to high on the rocket. Position and duration will determine the speed of the launch. Now that we're done editing, we'll give our behavior a new name. Liftoff. Almost ready for launch. Let's place our object in the real world using augmented reality. Tap the AR button and move your iPhone or iPad side to side as shown on screen until your object appears. Great! Our rocket is a little too close to the edge of our launch pad. Let's move it closer to the target. To move your object, tap and slide it to your desired location. Perfect. Now tap the play icon to place it. We're ready for launch. Tap the rocket. And we have liftoff. Great experiences are always better shared. Reality Composer makes it easy to share projects with friends using AirDrop, iMessage, and more. If you're a developer, you can also integrate your project into Xcode. To share your project, tap More. Choose Export, and select your preferred sharing method. We'll use messages. Add a comment, then hit send. And you're done. With Reality Composer, creating, editing, and sharing 3D objects just became a whole lot easier. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Apple Support channel, or click another video to keep watching.
So please try Reality Composer and create your own AR experiences. So we are done with the session. So we have a feedback survey. Please spend a minute to go through this survey. Either you can open iPhone or iPad camera and look at this QR code, which will open the Google Forms, or you can visit this link, which is given below. So this complete presentation, whatever we have done, is available in the ASW. So I'll also copy. So please take a screenshot of this. Otherwise, I'll also copy the link and put it in the chat. I'll send you the link in chat section. It's already shared.